In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging carousel post using Pinterest. Whether you're looking to promote your brand, share ideas, or just showcase some beautiful images, this walkthrough will help you do just that. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open up Pinterest. You can do this by navigating to the Pinterest website or opening the Pinterest app on your device. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the main Pinterest page, you'll see a selection of pins tailored to your interests, but our focus today will be on creating something unique and eye-catching. Next, you'll need to head over to your profile. Look for your profile icon, which is generally located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on it will take you to your personal Pinterest hub. Here, you can see all of your boards, pins, and the people you follow. It's your personal space on Pinterest, and we're going to utilize it to create something special. Once you're in your profile, look for a button labeled Create. This is your gateway to crafting new content. A small menu will appear when you click on Create, and you'll want to choose the option labeled Pin. This is how we'll get started with creating a carousel post. Now it's time to upload your images. A carousel post allows you to showcase multiple images in a single pin, letting your audience swipe through them to get a broader sense of what you're sharing. To upload images, simply click on the pin upload interface and select 2 or more images from your device. Ensure that the images you choose are cohesive in style and theme, as this will make your carousel more visually appealing and engaging for your viewers. Once your images are uploaded, you have the opportunity to organize them in the order you want them to appear. Take some time to consider the sequence that best tells your story or highlights what you hope to communicate. A well-thought-out arrangement can significantly enhance the impact of your carousel post. Additionally, give some thought to the descriptions and links you include with your pins. Compelling descriptions can catch the attention of your audience and inspire them to engage with your content. If applicable, you can add a URL to direct viewers to a specific web page or further details related to your images. After you're satisfied with how everything looks, double-check all the details once more. From your image sequence to the descriptions, everything should be just right for your audience. Once that's all set, simply hit publish and your carousel is live for the Pinterest community to see. And there you have it. You've successfully created a captivating carousel post on Pinterest. I hope this guide was helpful and inspires you to create even more dynamic content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore more in-depth Pinterest guides. Thank you for tuning in and happy pinning.